Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce from a jar. Preparing a delicious Alfredo sauce from a jar is incredibly simple and quick, perfect for busy weeknights. We'll cover everything from gently heating the sauce to adding a few key ingredients that will make it taste homemade. Get ready to transform a basic jar of Alfredo into a rich, creamy, and flavorful dish that everyone will love with minimal effort. The key to heating jarred Alfredo sauce is patience and a gentle touch. Pour the sauce into a medium saucepan and place it over a low to medium-low flame. Avoid high heat, as this can cause the sauce to separate or burn. Stir the sauce frequently, about every 30 seconds, to ensure it heats evenly and maintains its smooth, creamy texture. You want a gentle simmer, not a vigorous boil. To elevate your jarred Alfredo sauce, consider adding a few simple flavor boosters. Minced fresh garlic, about 1 to 2 cloves, can add a wonderful aromatic depth. Stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese for extra savoriness. A splash of heavy cream, roughly 2 tablespoons, will enhance its richness and creaminess. Finish with a generous grind of fresh black pepper and some chopped fresh parsley. Once your sauce is perfectly heated and enhanced, it's time to combine it with your pasta. Cook your preferred pasta, such as fettuccine or penne, until it's al dente. Drain the pasta, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. Add the warm, drained pasta directly to the saucepan with the Alfredo sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is evenly coated, adding a little reserved pasta water if needed for consistency. Serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.